On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't post story problem. So if you want to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. Or what you have to do is watch this video until the end. So first thing you have to do, go to the settings and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the Wi-Fi and then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. After that, go back, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now here on this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. Now here, or what you have to do now is very simple. Just go to the data usage and then disable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and enable them again like this, and click here on force stop. Now that's it, guys. Now all what you have to do is just turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.